Hi everyone. Kabbalistic morning blessings. There's 18 of them. They're in Aramaic. They represent the numerological value of life. We have here 7 sound bowls that are tuned to the frequency of miracles. As you close your eyes and listen to these Aramaic blessings being transmitted, allow the miracle, the miraculous energy of your soul to flow through your body temple and into the world. And take a breath, close your eyes, and receive. Setting your intention for today to birth the light of your soul into this world in ways beyond you can imagine.